Let's review how to use the Pharmacies Accordion on our doctor page. Select the Self section, then the Doctor page. Scroll down and click on the Pharmacies Accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, you can securely record and manage pharmacy details, including the pharmacy name, phone number, contact person, contact email, web link, and address or Google Maps location. This tool ensures that all pharmacy-related information is organized and easily accessible for legal, medical, and administrative use. Use the comments field to add notes such as service availability, special instructions, or any relevant case-related details. You can undo or redo entries, edit it when needed, download the information, or securely share it, and the data connects seamlessly with LawWiz Productivity Suite for a complete case workflow. Unlike scattered notes or external apps, this accordion is built for legal workflows, keeping information organized, precise, and accessible across devices. And that is how you use LawWiz Pharmacies Accordion.